Just 2 days left in the 2021 calendar year, Samsung are hard pressed in making a statement on how determined they are in the rollout of One UI 4 with Android 12 to their Galaxy devices. What's more impressive is that now legacy flagship Galaxy devices are now getting the latest and final version of One UI 4, which is very welcome. With that in mind, it's now the turn of Samsung's 2019 flagship S series, the Galaxy S10 and others to get the spotlight with the final build of One UI 4, which we have to say is probably one of the most important updates in the One UI 4 rollout. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy exclusive and new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick look of One UI 4 running on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, quick disclaimer, rather than going through the complete overview of One UI 4 on the Galaxy S10 Plus, we just want to get out there and say that after testing and using it, the final build is very much close to what we've experienced before and covered with the Galaxy S21, with one exception, which we will touch on later. So if you want a more detailed overview of the core features of One UI 4 with the additional extras, we highly recommend you watch our full overview video before, and that will give you all the information that you need. We're going to focus on the core features that are here with One UI 4 on the Galaxy S10 Plus. And with that in mind, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder that the core features that represent One UI 4 with Android 12 are color theme with Material U, the new privacy control and visibility over your camera, microphone, location, and also clipboard. Their new home screen interaction backed with the new widgets, and also the camera UI layout refinements and the usability of the photos and video, and the more streamlined device care section with the addition of RAM Plus as a core feature. Now, One UI is pretty much here in its full glory, and it pretty much showcases what we showcased before when covering One UI with the Galaxy S21 as previously shown. Now, avid viewers who have been following our One UI 4 coverage extensively would have noticed that one of our favorite new features to grace One UI 4 with Android 12 is actually missing on the Galaxy S10 Plus, which was very surprising to us and also got us wondering why. That feature is the new accessibility feature known as Extra Dim. We don't have a concrete reason as to why this feature is missing, which means it's anyone's guess at the moment as to why this useful feature has not been added to the Galaxy S10. We still don't really know. But we do have a few suggestions that could come down to the fact that the Galaxy S10 is using an older AMOLED display that might cause issues using the Extra Dim feature on a hardware level, or it could just be down to the fact that Samsung, for some reason, might have forgot to add it. Now, we hope the latter is true, which means we could see it added in a minor update specific to the Galaxy S10 series. But if this is not the case, then it's unfortunate not having this Extra Dim feature here on the Galaxy S10 Plus. We also don't want to think negatively when it comes to what Samsung have been doing, and we really do want to give praise where praise is due for how prompt and also speedy Samsung have been when updating and rolling out One UI 4 to their devices, especially more legacy devices like what we're seeing here with the Galaxy S10 Plus. But in recent weeks, we have seen and we have discussed how Samsung have pulled out and also stopped and paused One UI 4 update rollouts to the Galaxy S21 series, the Fold 3 and the Flip 3 in certain regions. And we just hope that we do not experience this on the Galaxy S10 series and also other legacy devices later to come in the rollout. Again, as we said before, all we can say is touch wood and fingers crossed. Let us know if you've been able to get the official OTA update for One UI 4 to your Galaxy S10 device and what your experience has been so far, whether that's been good or otherwise. Let us know in the comments section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.